here. Really taking advantage of the system now, aren't you?
Excuse me?
I'm just saying, leave a little bit for the rest of us, okay?
Oh, did you want some of this?
Oh God, no. No, I actually care about what I put into my body. Which is why I look like this. You look like that.
For your information,
Oh, hey, we were wondering, is there a limit to how much one person can eat at the buffet?
No. This is an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Might want to charge her double. Looks like she can eat a lot.
All of our customers get charged the same price, regardless of how much they eat. Carry on, ma'am.
thank you.
Carry on, sir.
Excuse me. Do you mind if...
Not at all.
Hurry up and get as much as you can before she eats it all.
What I eat is none of your business.
It is if we're eating from the same buffet.
See, look, that's portion control.
This is my third plate.
Okay, well, she looks like she at least takes care of herself. Unlike some people.
What is your problem?
My problem is with lazy people, like you. You probably come here twice a week, stay here for hours, just gobbling up everything you can find.
This is actually my first time here.
Judging by the looks of you, I highly doubt that.
If I'm not mistaken, we're eating from the same buffet. And I just came here for a business meeting.
What business would that be? To try to get on disability so you can further take advantage of the system? Unlike some people, I'm here to meet with someone who's actually important, the VP of Hot Topic.
Really?
Really? I have a final interview for a senior executive position, and when I get this...
Excuse me. Are you working on this plate still, or should I take it
I mean, yeah, I'm still working on it. Jeez, can't you see?
So much for portion control.
I can eat whatever I want, because I actually take...
How are you?
Oh, I am so good. How are you?
I'm good. It looks like the recovery's gone great.
Oh, yeah.
I don't mean to be nosy, but that's not a big plate of food you're hiding behind your back, is it?
No.
I could have swore I saw the server hand it to you.
Wow. It's just a little snack. One-time thing.
Well, I hope so, because there's no point spending all that money on, well, you know, just to gain it all back. Eat something healthy.
Will do. Thank you.
Was he just talking about weight loss surgery?
No. I can't believe you would even think that. He was talking about back surgery.
He specifically said just to gain it all back. What would that have to do with back surgery?
Yeah, like my back, I don't have to explain this to you, okay? The reason I look so good is because I work really hard at the gym. People who sits around shoving their face full of Haagen-Dazs ice cream all day and then complain about how fat you are.
Gee, this is insane. You look so different from high school. I heard about your procedure on Facebook, but I had no idea you lost this much weight.
Hi, Jess. Britt. You know, I don't know what you're talking about.
What do you mean? The weight loss surgery you had? Posted it on Facebook?
No, that wasn't me.
No, sure it was. You were the one that told me about it, right? Yeah, here, let me find it.
No, that won't be necessary. I have a meeting.
Here it is.
Ooh.
And to think that was just a year ago.
Crazy.
We're so happy for you.
Thank you.
It was so good to see you.
Yeah.
You too. Bye. Great timing.
Tell me again about how hard you work at the gym. You lost weight because you had it all vacuumed out. Or you got your stomach stapled. You're trying to make it seem like you do all this hard work, when let's be honest, it was the doctor that did all the hard work. The Then you have the audacity to say you can't stand fat people because they don't do anything? When they have to go through life dealing with people like you saying things like that. What is wrong with you? Why don't you go do something?
Don't be mad at me just because I can afford the surgery, okay? Maybe if you did something other than shove your face full of plates full of food, you'd be able to afford it too. Oh, speaking of affording things, I have a very important meeting to attend to. Excuse me.
Well, hi, you must be Carrie. Sorry I'm late. Traffic. I'm Alex, VP of Hot Topic.
It's great to meet you.
And I see you met our president.
President?
Yes. And you're quite lucky, actually. Miss Jackie happened to be in town from New York, so I asked her to join us since it is for a senior executive position.
That's great.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Again. Want to repeat what you were just saying to me? You know, about me being lazy and...
I hope that you did not take any of that serious.
Save it. There is no way we would ever hire someone like you. Fortunately, I got to know the real Carrie. Helped us dodge a bullet. Long story short is, we definitely won't be hiring her. Let's discuss it over lunch.
Okay.
Hey, by the way, my office tells me that you've missed your past couple of payments with us.
I was hoping to have another job lined up today, actually, but it seems I'm gonna need a little bit more time.
Okay, because I'd really hate to have to send you to collections.
Oh, no.
You know, in some other countries, they actually put the fat back. Patients don't pay.
Oh! Great! Can this day get anyone?
You never see it coming.